Welcome once again into this channel. This is the Philippine Review Center or PRC, and on this video we are going to solve this problem. So we have here fractions that are being added together and is being raised with a power of an exponent number. So in here we have a square of 2 over 4 and 4 over 16 raised to the power of 1/2. So all we have to do, what we're going to do here is we're going to solve one by one term. So in the first term, we have 2 over 4 is to the power of 2. So with this kind of setup, when a fraction that is being grouped together as it's being raised to the power of 2 or being squared, so ibig sabihin yan, what that means is that the numerator and the denominator are to be squared as well, no? So we are going to distribute the exponent, no? Just like how we distribute a number when it's being multiplied into a parenthesis na term. So dito, it would look like this one. So we are going to square the numerator and the denominator. So both of the placement in the fraction, no, would be squared. So this would be equal to 4 and this one would equal to 16. So as you can see here, this is not yet in lowest term. So we could actually get this lowest term, no, for this first term. So we are still on our first term. So the lowest term for this one is we're going to use the factorization technique. So this is what I presented to you on our previous videos because it would be easier for us to cancel out those factors, no? So what's left in your numerator is 1, and in here we have 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So our first term here would now be translated as 1 over 4. And our second term, somehow we could actually do the reverse, no? So instead of raising this to square, no, we could simplify first, no? We could do whatever it is inside the parentheses before distributing the exponents. So in here, on our second, I mean, you could just do the here, that on our second term, you could actually get its lowest term first, no? So 4 over 16 is equal to 2 times 2, and our denominator is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and we could actually cancel this out. So this is equal to 1/4. So this is equal to what we have get when we distribute the exponent, you know. So we have 1/4 here raised to the power of 1/2. So we all know that when a number being raised to a fraction, this fraction 1/2 here is we are getting its root form. We are getting its root, no? We could convert this one into its root form as we distribute this into the numerator and the denominator. So what we will have here, the square root of 1 is actually 1 and the square root of 4 is actually 2. So our new form now for our second term is 1/2 and our new form for the first term is 1/4. So we will now translate this into 1/4 plus 1/2. So I hope that you get the idea. So our first term, as we distribute the exponent, no, from squaring this whole fraction, we distribute this to the numerator and the denominator, and then got its exponential product, and then we get its lowest term. That is why it became 1/4. Same goes with our second term, but first we simplify it before distributing the exponent. So this is one way of solving it. We get its lowest term. We have simplified it into 1 over 4 and then distribute the exponent to both the numerator and the denominator and get its root form. So the square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 4 is 2. So what we have now is 1 over 2 or 1/2 for our second term. So now, as our final setup, we have 1/4 plus 1/2 and that would be equal to 3 over 4, no? So you could bypass, no, yung if you are familiar with this format, you could have you could get the LCD for solving this one to get this sum, or you could have the cross multiplication method on adding fractions. So on our next video, we will discuss further all about fractions and And next time, we will discuss about percentages and decimals once more. So to further our studies on square roots and fractions. So this is PRC. I hope that you have learned something from this one. If you have comments, if you have suggestions, you may comment down below, or you may message us, no, through inboxing this page, no, and we will be happy to cater all of your questions. So soon, no, if you will stay tuned, we'll be posting our free review class. No, we will be posting the registration link. So unfortunately, we failed to do that last week, but for sure this week we will be posting it this time. No, so stay tuned. For this month, we will be conducting free classes. So don't forget to like and follow this page and share this video so that we will be able to cater plenty of students who are going to take the exam. So once again, thank you for watching.